Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in French and in English as well. So how do you go about pronouncing this word with a typical French pronunciation? In France it is said as provocateur, provocateur. In English, however, it is normally pronounced rather similarly as provocateur, provocateur, from French, provocateur. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference a little bit? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. If this was useful, please give this a like. Only 1 second. Anyhow, here are more videos on how to pronounce more words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.